Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be repairing this RYOBI Electric Pressure Washer. It's 1600 PSI that I got from Home Depot a couple of years ago. The issue with it is when I plug it in, the GFCI plug just rattles and buzzes. I'm pretty sure the pressure washer itself is just fine and that the issue is with this GFCI plug here. So I went on Amazon and found this almost identical replacement GFCI plug. It's important to know that there is a 2-prong version and a 3-prong version, so make sure you order the right one, but this is a 2-prong, so that's what I ordered. So let's get this swapped out and see if it fixes it. All right, to get this started, I'm going to open this up with these 4 Phillips head screws. Okay, now you see we have our hot and our neutral wire. Since this is a 2-prong, there is not a grounding wire. So let's get these removed. All right, so on the new one, we have L and N. Even though I'm always used to black being hot and white being neutral, I'm gonna match it up how it was on this one. So white is going to be L and black is going to be N. So let's take these out and we're going to put it in the new one exactly how it was on the original. They pull right out. So let's see if this goes right in. You can see we got to sandwich it in there. Open this a little bit more. There we go. And look at that. That even fits in here. I don't have to replace that. The new one did come with a replacement, but that's really nice that I don't have to deal with that. So let's see if this old piece fits back on here too. Yeah, this might have been the exact same one that RYOBI used. This is a perfect replacement so far. Okay, this might be a little bit different. So let's look for the replacement one in here. There's our cover. Let's see, that's the old one. Get our bag of goodies with the new one here. Okay, that was the new one. We don't need that. So let's get this one on here. All right, let's tighten these down. Okay, so let's look at that. See the wires are sandwiched underneath those terminals. We've got our guard here to keep it from getting pulled out. And let's see if the new cover fits around the old boot. Look at that. That is a perfect replacement. So let's get it buttoned back up and we'll test it out. Hopefully that was the trick. I think that'll do it. Okay, that's all there is to it. This Ella GRP, ELE, GRP, however you say it, reset test. Like I said, it is almost identical to the original. So let's plug it in, see how it goes. I think it works. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If it was, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos coming soon. Thanks. Have a great day.